Okay, this is not so much a tutorial, more a test. We're looking at mutable and immutable references. So, question, what do you think we will get when we run this code? 2 print statements, value, address, reference, reference. Reference is handled differently here because it's using the pointer. So, when I run it, what do you think? Same value, same address. So that's an immutable reference. Same value at the same address. Okay, let's look at this code then. Mutable value, 24. Mutable reference. We're borrowing the mutable value, which is mutable. I'm going to modify it. Any guesses? 25. And a memory address. Now, if we run this as well, what do you think this will be? Mutable value, ampersand mutable value. So, will these values be the same or will they be different? Let's try it. They're the same. So what we've actually done is using a mutable reference, we've modified the original value. So on line 20, we've modified the original value that we created on line 18. The first time we printed the mutable reference, which was value on line 19. On line 25, we printed the mutable value, which was the original value. So the original value was 24, but when we print it here, it's 25. And that's because using the reference, we've actually pointed to the address and we've added 1. This asterisk here is the key to what we've just done. Mutable references in Rust provide a safe mechanism for modifying data. Have a go yourself. I'll put a link to this in the Rust Playground. I'm still learning as well, so yeah, practice, practice, practice. See you again.